welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to this notification bar, and right there on the right upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon. To turn on Wi-Fi, just tap on the icon once, and here if you will press for a while on this icon you can see all of available networks. Also, if you want to just turn it off, tap on the icon again. So that's the first way, and the second way, that just go to the settings, and here tap to the Wi-Fi section, tap here on the switcher to activate it, and now you will see all the available networks. And for example, you can choose one from these networks. For example, I'll go with this one. And now just here type the password. Okay, if you just tap here on the eye icon you can see your password. Now just tap here to connect, and as can you see, your device successfully connected with the network. If you want you can choose another network, just tap here to the this network and tap here forget network, tap OK, and now you can choose another one. Or also if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone, just tap here on the switcher again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.